One great reason to use WordPress is that there is this whole ecosystem built up around it. It's got tons of plugins and themes, all kinds of different functionality and looks that you can apply to your site. It doesn't have to look like a blog, it can look like anything. And in this case, we're creating a membership site. So I want to show you there's a really easy way to change the appearance so that it looks more like a membership site. Now if we want to view the blog as it is, I'll just go up to the home button up here and hit visit blog, and we can see it's pretty sparse. So let's go in and change that. I'm going to hit the back button to go back to the dashboard, and I'll just go down to appearance in the menu on the left and over to themes. And you can see we have a default theme installed, and let's go ahead and search for a new one. So I'm going to click the add new button, and all kinds of stuff comes up here. So there are free themes, there are paid themes, you can hire somebody to design a custom theme for you. There are so many choices, and the nice thing is with the visuals designed, you don't really have to think about that. You can just focus on building the content. In this course, we can also focus on the logistics of setting up different membership areas and collecting payments. Let's go and find a nice theme for our site. I'm going to look for a theme called Storefront, so I happen to pick this out ahead of time. And there it is. I'll click the details and preview, and I can see what that looks like. And it's pretty simple, but I think this will look nice when we get done. On the left here, there are details about it. It's set up for WooCommerce, which is fine. You might even use that in collecting payments, but it's definitely set up to be a commerce site. And you can see this is made by Automatic, which is the company that also makes WordPress. So it's going to be of a reasonably good quality. That's something you might want to pay attention to as well. I'll click install. And now our theme is installed. We just want to activate it. So the theme is there, but it doesn't mean it is the active theme. Let's go ahead and click activate to do that. And it gives us a little ad here so we could learn more about Storefront. I'm just going to click close. And here is our Storefront theme in action. Let's go back up and click the visit site button. And we can see the design of our site has changed. Now we're going to modify this a little bit more later on so it doesn't look like a blog with that sidebar menu with posts and stuff. Or you may want to keep some of that depending on the look of your site and how you want it to feel. For right now, we've got our theme set up and we're ready to keep rolling.